At the break of the dawn, as the sun rises over quiet fields, life begins on the dairy farm. For many farmers, this is more than work, it's a way of life, built on patience, commitment, and care. Dairy cows are remarkable creatures, calm, intelligent, and productive. They transform simple grasses into one of nature's complete foods, milk. A productive dairy cow starts with proper feeding, quality forage, clean water, and balanced nutrition are key to high milk yields. Farmers invest time, energy to ensure cows receive the nutrients they need. Animal health is the heartbeat of a successful dairy farming. Regular veterinary care, including deworming, vaccinations, and disease monitoring, keeps the cows healthy and productive throughout the year. Comfort matters. A well-ventilated shade, dry bedding, and space to rest help the cows remain stress-free. Clean environments reduce disease, improves milk quality, and prolong productive life. Milk is more than a product. It is food for the family, income for the household, and a driver for rural development. From the farm to the table, it brings nutrition and opportunity. Silage, hay, and fresh fodder provide energy throughout the seasons. Minerals and salt licks supports bone strength, reproduction, and milk production. All are critical to cow's health and performance. Dairy cows are more than just a livestock. They are partners in progress. With care, commitment, and collaboration, they hold the power to transform lives one drop of milk at a time. At Farmshare Africa, we walk the journey with farmers, offering trainings, inputs, and support for smart, climate resilient dairy farming, innovation, and empowerment. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video update. Until next time, happy farming.